first thing to do when you need to update your Chromebook is to shut it down completely and then restart it and log in. Next, click on Time in the bottom right corner. Click on the time to open up the panel. Next, click on the gear to open up the Settings menu. Over here on the left, on the bottom of the list, it says About Chrome OS. Click on that. And under where it says Google Chrome OS, click Check for Updates. That will begin the update process. This will take a few minutes of time, and when it's done, it will prompt you to restart your Chromebook. Click Restart, and then that will install the updates that you just downloaded.